Hello friends, welcome to this course on NX. In this lecture, we will continue with 3D edit tools and we will know about the chamfer tool. So chamfer tool is used to insert the chamfer in the 3D geometries. With the chamfer tool, we can replace a sharp edge with two edges. Now to understand this, we need to create an object. Go to extrude, select this XY plane, and let's say I create a center rectangle of any dimensions. Click finish and give it some height. Pick this arrow and drag it. Click OK. Now we can see we have sharp edges here. These are all the sharp edges. So generally in the manufacturing, we need to avoid these sharp edges. For this, we have a tool that is called chamfer. So you can find this chamfer here. Click on this chamfer. Now inside this chamfer, we have three options: symmetric, asymmetric, and offset and angle. So first, I will start with this symmetric option. For this symmetric, we need to select an edge. So zoom in here and let's say I select this edge. Now with this edge selected, we can select the distance of chamfer. So right now it is symmetric. So distance means that from the center edge. So you see the distance from this edge up to this edge is 8 and from this edge up to this edge is 8. So this is symmetric chamfer. So when I insert this value, let's say this is 10. So you see distance will increase in both sides. I can click OK. And now we can see in this way we have inserted the chamfer. Now let's explore some more options into this. So I go to chamfer once again. This time I will select asymmetric. In the asymmetric type, we can specify different distance values in both directions. So we need to select the edge. So zoom in and select this edge. Now specify the distance value. So let's say I increase this value to 15. And now we can see on one side the distance is 15. On the other side the distance is 10. So we can specify any value of distance here or here. Here we can select the type of chamfer and click OK. Now the next type of chamfer is so go to this chamfer. The next is offset and angle. So in this type of chamfer, we have two parameters. One is distance and the second is angle. So we can specify the chamfer with the help of an angle. So let's say I click here for this edge and now it is going to select the angle value. So here top edge is the reference and this is the angle. So when I drag this, we can see this is the angle value and this is the distance value. So distance in both sides. So generally in industries we use the chamfer of 45 degree and we can specify the distance value and then click OK. So here we can see we have inserted the chamfer. Next we can create chamfer at the edges. So let's go to this option. Select edge one by one. I select three edges and I select symmetric chamfer. Distance value is 10 and click OK. So here in this way we can create chamfer also on the edges. So in this way we can create a chamfer.